Comet's very concerned about this too. Carter. Carter. You doing tummy time? Oh sure, now he's getting up. Hi, buddy. Hi, buddy. There he goes, there he goes. And almost all the way. Well, that's pretty much all the way. But there you go. He did it. You're supposed to do that at 6 weeks old? I don't think so. I don't think so.